Mutsvangwa defends Mnangagwa term extension push. The 19th of October 2025, by a correspondent vertical bar, Zim News Live YTS. ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa has defended the party's resolution to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term to 2030, describing it as a grassroots call that reflects the will of the people rather than the ambitions of the elite. Speaking to at Zai FM Stereo on the sidelines of the Mutare National People's Conference, Mutsvangwa said the decision emerged organically from all levels of the ruling party's structures, from the cells and branches up to the provincial and national levels. It is a resolution which originated from the grassroots of the party. It came all the way through from the organs, from the cells, to the branches, to the districts, to the inter-districts, and to the provinces, until it emerged as the unanimous all-around resolution of all the delegates who came here. Not a dissenting voice, Mutsvangwa said. He added that party members were simply acknowledging Mnangagwa's achievements in reviving Zimbabwe's economy and restoring its international standing. They call upon the president to say, "You have done good work. You have turned around an economy which was comatose. We had no currency. We were a pariah state. Now the economy is vibrant. We are the fastest growing, and we have sinews of the economy which show that the middle-income goal is achievable. This is why they want the president to continue." Mutsvangwa acknowledged that while Mnangagwa has repeatedly described himself as a constitutionalist who intends to serve only 2 terms, the party's resolution represents the democratic will of its membership. Of course, the president is a constitutionalist. He still sticks to the position that he will serve 2 terms, but it does not dispense with the wish of the democratic people that the president could, or should, serve longer than that. He further explained that ZANU-PF would now work on ensuring that constitutional and legal mechanisms are put in place to make the resolution realizable. They not only passed the resolution, but they said mechanisms should be instituted to make sure that this resolution is realized. So this is the goal of the party, Mutsvangwa said. When asked about what happens in 2028, Mutsvangwa said the decision ultimately lies with the president himself. As to what will happen in 2028, it's up to the president. It is his choice. He is a constitutionalist and a free man. He may want to comply with the resolution or not. But in any event, 2028 will always be on the calendar of God. For now, we have work to do, to deliver a vibrant economy that makes Zimbabwe the shining star of Africa.